Welcome to Microprocessor Lab. So today we will be performing the experiment on data sorting. That means we will arrange the data according to the ascending order. Okay, that means smallest number will be at the lower address and the number that is having the highest value will be contained at the highest address specified. So before loading the program, let us first understand the programming. Okay. So here we are using the stack, okay, and we are using it for the purpose of subroutine. So first thing is that we are specifying the stack pointer, and this stack pointer is specified at address D000. That means it will start loading from CFFF. And here I have loaded the count. This is the count, that is 09. Actually we have loaded 10 data, so the number of comparison that will be made will be 9. Okay. So therefore count is will be total number of data minus 1. Then I have loaded HL. In HL register I have loaded C100. So C100 is the location where we are sorting the data. So 10 data we are loading, that means from C1000 to C109. Then it is the memory contents are moved to A. Then again it is incremented, okay, and then there is a call subroutine. So we are calling this subroutine to check the comparison, and if the number is smaller, so it will generate a carry. Okay, so and it will exchange. Okay, and therefore after exchanging, the actual smallest value will be loaded in the accumulator. Okay. And therefore after the subroutine we are decrementing H because we want to load into the first memory. So because we want to load into the first memory, so I am decrementing it. Then the contents of A will be copied to M, and then again we are incrementing because our count will, this time our count is going to start from the next value. So again I am incrementing the register, and we are decrementing the count by 1, that is DCR B. Okay, so this is the external count, and there will be an internal count which will be used in subroutine to compare all the values. So here we can see the subroutine program which is written here, that is starting from address, that is C300. So first I am loading the values of H and B. Okay, so they are kept intact. Then the comparison is made, and if there is a carry, then it will jump to location. That means the number is smaller. Okay, if the number is greater, then we will exchange the values that you can see by using the instructions written over there. And finally we will take the actual values from B and H. Okay, you can see that it is following the first in first out. Push H is written first, but pop H is written at the end. So first in first out has been followed. Okay. So let us see how to load the program. So already I have loaded the program. So our starting location was C000, and therefore I have loaded the program starting from 31, then 00, then D0, 06, 09, 21, 00, C1, 7E, 23, CD, 00, C3, 2B, 77, 23, 05, C2, 08, C0 and EF. Okay, so this is the main program. Let us see the subroutine also. So subroutine is also loaded. So that is E5, C5, that is for push operation. D is for comparison, okay, and this DA is for jump on carry. then 09 C3 address, then 56, then 77. All these are copying operations. And 78 23 05 C2 02 C3 C1. C1 is for pop B and pop H is E1, then return like this. Okay, and we are loading the value from C100. So let us load the value C100. So C100. So right now there are no specified values, so we will specify the value in descending order. So let me just load 99 here, then next will be 88, then next will be 77, then 66, then 55, then 44, then 33, then 22, then 11, and the last value will be 00. Okay. So when I execute the program, you will see that from the starting location C100, it will be in ascending order. So let us execute the program. So we said go, starting address was C000, and then let us execute the program. So we have executed the program, and let us examine the memory. So C100, you can see the first value is 00, and if I press the next, you will see 11, then you will see 22, then 33, then 44, then 55, then 66, then 77, then 88, then 99. So up till 9, 10 data. Okay. So this was the program for data sorting. Okay. Thank you.